The Delhi High Court has directed authorities to ensure regular medical monitoring of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, who is on a hunger strike, while hearing a public interest litigation concerning his health. The PIL was heard by a division bench comprising of Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay and Justice Tejas Karya. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared virtually on behalf of the centre and the Delhi government. Now, during the hearing, the bench questioned whether there was any mechanism in place to monitor Wangchuk's health amid concerns over his prolonged fast. Now, responding to the court, Tushar Mehta informed that Wangchuk was undergoing daily medical checkups and that his death parameters were being regularly shared. Now, the court then directed that his health should continue to be monitored by the government doctors and said that if medical experts recommend any intervention, appropriate steps will be taken. Now, the bench observed that every life is precious and emphasized that all necessary efforts must be made to protect Wangchuk's health. While passing the order, the court noted that the petition had raised concerns over the deterioration of Wangchuk's health due to prolonged hunger strike. The court recorded that assurance given by the Solicitor General that daily clinical monitoring could continue and that any required medical assistance would be provided based on doctors' advice. Sonam Wangchuk has been on a hunger strike for demands linked to protests by Cockroach Janata Party, which is demanding Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation over alleged irregularities in the competitive examination, including the NEET UG paper leak controversy. After recording these assurances, the Delhi High Court disposed of the IPL. My colleague Nivriti Mohan is in fact present at the protest site. Nivriti, what are the latest details that we've come to know? How is Sonam Wangchuk's health now doing?
Yes, I am at Jantar Mantar right now and you can see the area. There are protesters who have gathered here and although the numbers have fallen since yesterday it was quite packed and full. Today the numbers of protesters here has dropped down a bit, but we can expect a number of people coming in as the day passes. After in the afternoon or later in the afternoon, more people are expected because more politicians are also expected to come here. As far as the health of Sonam Wangchuk is concerned, we spoke to the spokesperson of Cockroach Janata Party and he told us that Sonam Wangchuk has lost 9 kgs of weight, his sugar levels and his blood pressure is also not doing very well. So the health concern is there. He is not able to stand on his own. He is feeling dizzy as in when he stands up. He is feeling dizzy. So the health of Sonam Wangchuk is not at all good, and as the days are passing, it is getting worse. That is why the court has also today directed that his health should be monitored on a daily basis. His health should be clinically monitored, and it also directed that any medical intervention, if required, based on the opinion of the government doctors, it should be immediately provided. So let us see if government doctors arrive and when they arrive and what advice do they give to Sonam Wangchuk over here. The protesters who are present here, apart from the demands that they are concerned about, that they want to put in front of the government, that they are putting in front of the government through this protest, there is another concern that is troubling them is Sonam Wangchuk's health. Every one of them wants him to end his fast and they are concerned about his health. You know that Shashi Tharoor had also posted on his social media handle that Sonam Wangchuk should end his fast. Everybody from the entertainment industry, people from the political area, everyone is requesting him to end his fast. But as far as Sonam Wangchuk is concerned, he is saying that people should not ask him to end his fast, but people should ask the government to speak to him. That is what his take is. And as far as the demands are concerned, there are many organizations, student organizations present here who are here and protesting and putting their demands forth. One of the charters that we can see here with 39 demands and main demands, if I read one or two of these demands, is that National Testing Agency must be disbanded and a Supreme Court monitored investigation into anti-related scams and mismanagement must be conducted. Adequate compensation should be ensured to candidates affected by paper leaks, and 10% of the union budget and state government budget must be earmarked for education. And the other demand is of the resignation of the education minister. So all the organizations have similar kinds of demands that they are putting here. And apart from Sonam Wangchuk, a few students
और ये
are
हम
also
सब की
there
बात है
on
ये जो
hunger
मुद्दा
strike.
शुरू हुआ
You
ये
can
शुरू हुआ है
see,
शिक्षा प्रणाली को
one
लेकर के
student
जिस तरीके से
named
नीट का पेपर
Manish,
लीक हुआ क्या ऐसा होना
His-
चाहिए था
he is,
बिल्कुल
on
नहीं
the
होना चाहिए था
19th day of
क्योंकि
his
जो बच्चे पेपर
hunger
दे रहे
strike.
थे जब
Neha
पेपर
is
देके
on
निकले
the
तो उनको
19th
लगा
day
कि हम
of
डॉक्टर बन
her
चुके
hunger
हैं
strike.
लेकिन तुरंत पता
And
चलता है कि
also,
भाई पेपर लीक हो गया
is on
एकदम से
19th
मतलब आप
day
सोचो
of
ना कि जज्बाती बदल गए
hunger
होंगे
strike.
एकदम
So these
क्योंकि उन्होंने
are
बहुत मेहनत
the
करके उतने नंबर
people
लाए थे वो
who,
लोग और वो
apart
पेपर
from
लीक हो गया
Sonam Wangchuk,
अब बच्चे
are
एक महीने
on
का जो
hunger
टाइम है ना
strike.
क्योंकि हम तो
And
क्लास में
then
पढ़ाते हैं हमें पता है बच्चा
they
किस
had
तरीके से
given,
पढ़ता
the CJP had
है एक
given a
महीने में
call
कई
for
बच्चों पे
mass
इतना
hunger
मेंटल
strike.
ट्रॉमा
So,
हुआ है
mass
इतना
hunger
ज्यादा
strike
उन्होंने फील
is
किया
also
है
being
कि वो
observed,
दूसरा पेपर कई बच्चों का
today
खराब हुआ इस चक्कर
from,
में क्योंकि एक महीने में यही चल रहा था कि पेपर
campaign
लीक हुआ
on
कहाँ
social
से लीक हुआ
media.
कैसे लीक हुआ बच्चों का ध्यान पढ़ाई में तो
It
था ही साथ में
came
अगर
down
पेपर लीक हुआ तो उस
on
तरफ भी जा
ground
रहा था
in
ना
Jantar
तो
Mantar
बच्चा
on
कॉन्सेंट्रेट
20th
कैसे
of
करता तो कई
June,
बच्चे
and
इस
on
चक्कर में
28th of
अगले वाला जो
June,
रीनीट का पेपर
Sonam
हुआ वो
Wangchuk
सही से नहीं हो
entered
पाया और ऊपर से
the
आपने अपना ईगो
protest
सेटिस्फाई
and he
करने के लिए
supported
पेपर
these
का लेवल ऐसा
students.
बना दिया
And now
कि
it is
इनके खुद के
19th
टीचर सॉल्व
day
ना कर
of
पाए वो
his
पेपर
hunger strike
जो नीट के बच्चे
here
यहाँ पर
at
जुड़े हुए
Jantar
वो सोच
Mantar.
सकते हैं इस बात को
Everybody
कि
asking
जिसका
him
पेपर इस लेवल का
to
था
call
जिसने
off his
पेपर
hunger
बनाया
strike,
है
but he
उसको
is
1 घंटा दे दो आप
not doing
अगर
so.
वो सॉल्व कर पाए
And as I
नौकरी
said,
छोड़ दूंगा मैं
court
अपनी
has also
भाई वो खुद सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएगा
directed that
तो ऐसे पेपर क्यों बनाना है आपको
human life is precious and that should be saved.
Right,
And
right.
his health should be regularly monitored on a daily basis and medical intervention if required
Right.
according to the advice of
Right. Thank you, Nivriti, for in fact joining us with all those details.